We're going to look at these roots. This is a diseased root. You can tell the discoloration. This is kind of punky in here, especially down here. It's a soft rot type fungus versus healthy root right here, or was, versus diseased root. The soil here is very compacted due to the flooding. Diseased root. All this on this side was diseased root. There's more diseased root. You can tell the wood, all that punky looking stuff in there is all fungal decay. The blackened coloration here, darkened here. You can see this looks like Phytophthora to me.